Did you know that the world famous Coca-Cola company started out as a proprietorship firm? Hi friends, I am Yash from Business Guru. We help entrepreneurs all over India in setting up their business and managing their compliance. We make videos like these so that you have access to all the information so that nobody can take you for a ride. In today's video, we will tell you the basics about a proprietorship firm, the process to form it, and also answer some FAQs at the end. So guys, as always, let's get started. Friends, before we get started, we made a big list of FAQs today so that you understand the topic even better. So make sure you stay till the end of the video. Proprietorship firms are the most common structures for doing business in India. Although there is no correct data available, estimates say that 70% of the total businesses are proprietorship firms. So if you see around you, shops for essentials, small stores of any kinds, restaurants, etc. are generally proprietorship firms. A proprietorship is owned and controlled by a single person. The process of setting up a proprietorship firm is a simple single-step process, but for some business it's a two-step process. The first step is that you have to approach a bank and open a current account for your proprietorship firm. Apart from your PAN and Aadhaar card, banks may additionally require a GST registration or an MSME registration to open your current account. Depending on what banks need, you should then hire a consultant and get the required registration done. Majority of the proprietorship firms require just this single step to begin operations. Yes, it's that simple to start a proprietorship. But there are some businesses which may require some more industry specific or sector specific approvals to start business. For example, a packaged food business requires an FSSAI license. An import-export business requires an import-export or an IAC code. A sanitizer trading business, which has become very famous nowadays, requires a drug license. So if your business requires any more approvals, you would then hire a consultant and get those approvals done. If you're confused whether or not your business requires additional licenses, let us know in the comment section below and we will surely help you out. So friends, just to summarize, starting a proprietorship in India is a simple two-step process. First, approach a bank and open a current account of your proprietorship. And second, take sector or industry specific approvals only if required, and then you can start your business. So viewers, once you've understood what a proprietorship is and the process to form it, let's get on to answering some FAQs now. So like all other business structures in India, there is no minimum capital which is required to start a proprietorship firm. You can even start a firm with as low as 1000 rupees. It takes around 7 to 10 days to start a proprietorship firm in India. As explained by us earlier, it's quite fast and easy to set up a proprietorship in India. Audit is not compulsory in a proprietorship firm. You need to audit a proprietorship firm only when the turnover exceeds 2 crore rupees. Individual and a proprietorship firm in India are the same. So income tax is charged to proprietorship firms at slab rates. So also deductions like LIC, Mediclaim, etc. are available to proprietorship firms. Viewers, GST registration is not compulsory to start a proprietorship firm. GST registration is only required when you cross a turnover of 20 lakhs if you're providing services and 40 lakhs for other businesses. Although some banks may insist on a GST registration certificate to open the current account of a proprietorship firm. One of the drawbacks of a proprietorship is there is no protection of limited liability. In other words, if you ever incur a loss, your personal assets will be sold off to pay off those losses. If you want the protection of limited liability, you could go for a LLP, which is a limited liability partnership, or a private limited company instead. You can take a bank loan even if you form a proprietorship. Also friends, there is no limit as such to take bank loans. We have clients which are proprietorship firms and have even taken bank loans of 50 crores or more. Proprietorship firms are good enough for all kind of businesses. So whether you want to do a logistic business or a software business or an import-export business or any other business, proprietorship firms are good enough. But if you want to raise venture capital, or if you want to manufacture anything, or if your expected profits are 2 crore plus, you should always go for a private limited company and not a proprietorship firm. This is the most common question people ask us on Quora or when they call us. So guys, there is no limit as such on the business you can do in a proprietorship firm. There are no restrictions as such. You can even do a turnover of 100 crore or more than that and nobody will restrict you to do that. Proprietorships are not eligible for a startup registration. Only registered partnership firms, LLPs and private limited companies can apply for a startup registration. Hope this video has helped you to understand a proprietorship firm in a better way. Please share this video with your friends who are looking to start business as a proprietor in India. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update. Until next time guys, cheers.